$12 a month now replaces my entire operation stack. I'm talking about the Zapier, Calendly, HubSpot, and Buffer subscriptions that used to run me $500 a month combined. The self-hosting shift changed the math in early 2026, and if you haven't recalculated your SaaS bill yet, this video is the audit you need. The 2025 approach to automation was Zapier first, but as of June 2026, we've hit a massive 90% cost gap between legacy tools and n8n year one. While Zapier offers 8,000 apps, n8n has emerged as the most powerful and flexible platform for remote workers who want full control. Right now in 2026, we are moving beyond simple chatting with AI into natural product experiences where the automation is the interface. By self-hosting n8n, you aren't just saving money, you're building a private AI operating system that keeps your data secure from the cloud leaks we saw earlier this year. The biggest barrier to n8n used to be the technical hurdle, but the Claude code shift has fixed that as of June 2026, 6/7. You no longer need to be a developer to build complex multi-step workflows. I use Claude Code to write the custom JavaScript nodes inside n8n for me. 1. Describe the logic in plain English. 2. Let Claude generate the node code. 3. Paste and test. This has cut my deployment time by 5 times compared to last year. We are now in the era of agentic coding where the machine handles the syntax while you handle the strategy. I've officially killed my Calendly subscription. Instead of a static link, I use an n8n workflow connected to Claude 4 Sonnet. When someone emails me for a meeting, n8n triggers a search of my current project list in Airtable. Step 1. Extract the sender's intent. Step 2. Compare it against my priority deep work blocks. Step 3. Only offer slots if the lead is high value. This is what experts now call agentic gating, priority-based conditional routing, that ensures the AI acts as a strict gatekeeper for your time. By 2027, the idea of manually managing a calendar will be seen as a low-skill task. Your CRM doesn't need to be a $300 a month burden. I've replaced my HubSpot setup with a combination of n8n, Airtable, and Perplexity AI. When a new row is added to Airtable, n8n triggers a Perplexity search to find the lead's latest news and funding rounds. This setup allows me to walk into every meeting with a full dossier without lifting a finger. MIT's 2025 AI at Work study found that this kind of virtual expertise boosts productivity by 14% on average, and up to 34% for novice workers. 5. Stop paying for Buffer or Hootsuite. I use an n8n workflow to orchestrate my entire content machine. It takes a single long-form video transcript, sends it to a multi-agent loop in Claude, and generates 5 platform-specific posts. One agent focuses on the hook, another on the value, and a third performs a quality review, SORKI. This ensures I maintain a uniform brand voice without the 20 hours a week manual grind. Right now in 2026, generative AI is capable of automating 60 to 70% of these individual activities. If this stack is shifting how you think about your tools, drop a like before we get to the macro picture. It helps more remote workers find this. We are currently living through a $3 trillion productivity shift. This isn't just hype, it's about shifting the 7.6 hours we spend working every day from shallow work to deep work. 10. By using an n8n stack, you are positioning yourself as an AI-native worker. McKinsey's State of AI 2026 report found that workers who actively direct AI agents, rather than passively use AI tools, report productivity gains 2 to 3 times higher than their peers. Your job isn't to work for the tools anymore. Your job is to build the machine that does the work. You just learned how to replace 4 expensive SaaS tools with one agentic n8n stack. That's the hours you've tracked losing to these tools, handed back to the work that actually moves the needle. Next week, I'm releasing the exact 7-node n8n template I use to handle client onboarding without touching my keyboard. Subscribe so you get the template link in the description the moment it drops, and I'll see you in the next one.